Right, quickly be showing how to make our candy, rocket candy. This will be used for smoke mix. Got some 1-inch fuses here, Visco fuses. Scales to weigh it out. Something to put it in. Some wax here too. That's just paraffin candle wax. That'll make it even more smoky. Use something to cook it on. And some safety equipment just in case. Right. $40 tiny bit over, take some out. There we go, 40 grams, sugar, down in the pan. Some KNO3. You can get this in a variety of places, or you can just buy it. It's up to you. Won't go into that. You want 60 grams of this. Quite a lot. 40. Bit messy. 58. 60. Put this out of the way. These are just simple fireworks. Right, both in the pan. You just spoon and mix it up. Make sure it's evenly mixed a bit before you turn on the hob. You want to get it caramelized but not quite burned, otherwise that stuff does not burn well. Nor does it pour well. Sugar will supply the fuel, well, the nitrate will quickly oxidize it. Can be used for rockets and stuff. Put the tiny bit of wax in there as well. You'll only want to put this on a low heat. Move this over by there for a sec. This bit's quite simple. Basically cooking. Try and keep it moving round. Don't want too much heat either. Nor do you want the flames licking the sides, because it can ignite it. I've done that before, it was not fun. Tiny bit more heat. Smells nice, sort of like toffee, apple, caramel. Quite dark all of a sudden. This can take a few minutes, but usually doesn't take that long. Once it's heated up enough, it'll start turning a sort of light brown. That's just it turning into basically toffee. Starting to cook now. Can smell it. Smells nice. As you can see, it's starting to turn into little sort of chunks. That'll turn into a sort of molasses-like substance that I'll be pouring into these little cake trays there. Keep stirring it. This stage. Don't let it settle. The wax is also melted into here, I remind you. That would have melted quickly in first. That'll improve the smokiness. It's all starting to caramelise now. Keep moving. It's alright to lift it off the hob for a little bit. Reduce the heat. It will stick to your whatever you're using, fork, spoon. It is toffee, it's very sticky. That smoke's just water evaporating. As when it's lit, it produces like 10,000 times more smoke. That's why the visco fuses. I'll be doing the test in a separate video, so you can just skip ahead and see that if you wish. As you can see, it's all turned into caramel now. Almost there. You need to be able to pour this. It'll reduce in size very quickly. You don't want it turning dark brown. Just want a light brown colour. Dark brown means some of it's burning. Not good. So keep it moving. That's why I'm lifting it off the hob so it melts a bit slower. Still, you want to have it all evenly melted before you pour it and stick your fuses in. If not, you can light it with a match and such. This is usually used for kids' science experiments, sugar rockets and such. Except this one has a bit of wax in it. Change the recipe slightly. I just want it more smoky. There you go, it's running like toffee now. So we'll be pouring this. To these little trays. Let's turn the gas off. Very low, rather. Not as much as it looks. Thought it'd fill more of these. No problem. The candle trays are filling up the best. I think I'll use more of them in the future. For recycling. Into little firework trays. Heat this up a little bit in order to remove the last. By heating the last in the spoon, you can remove the very last and get that as well. It will stick to the spoon regardless, but you can be able to pick it off. Okay, that's that. Quite smoky in here, that's why I've got the window closed. Using a knife to break off the last in this spoon because it's quite a bit caked on here. Some in this little thing here. It used to be a gas lid, one of those gas tanks, map gas. Recycle it. It's only slightly warm. Sticky like toffee though. Right, before it sets, put your fuses in. It's just a simple 1-inch Visco fuse. Sort of like strange Christmas trees, Christmas cakes. Christmas trees. Just pulling them out a little bit so the suction sucks them back in. This one's almost set. Ooh, push that in there. There we go, all done. Not much left, look like that. Here's your little smoke fireworks and the smoke mixture. Rocket candy. This has wax in it to remind you. This has impressive effects as like a sort of smoke screen or day firework sort of thing. Also good for a fountain or a road flare. People put magnesium shavings and such in them, make them burn brighter. But I'm using wax. So check out the test video to see how they work, and I'll see you then.